Hey, welcome back to another video of how to use basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to keep your Ton wallet safe from phishing attacks. To keep your Ton wallet safe from phishing attacks, follow this essential practice. First, avoid clicking on links from unsocialized emails, messages, or pop-ups claiming to be from Ton wallet or related services. Always visit the official Ton website or application. You can also verify website URLs. Phishing websites often look identical to the official one. Always verify that website URL starts with HTTPS and click for the correct domain. You also need to only download the Ton wallet application from official sources. Open an app store and search for the Ton wallet and click on search. Here you can see the developer name by scrolling down here, which is the official application. Be cautious of fake application or software that may steal your information. Also, never share your seed phrases. Your seed phrase is the key to your vault. Never share it to anyone. You also need to review the permission granted to the Ton wallet application and remove unnecessary access. Ensure the application doesn't have excessive information that could make it vulnerable to data leaks. By following these practices, you can protect your Ton wallet from phishing attacks and ensure your assets remain secure. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.